In this video, I'm going to show you how to bleed the brakes on this Honda Accord. Every vehicle is a little bit different, and this is the proper procedure for this vehicle. Let's get into it. Under the hood, you want to locate your master cylinder reservoir. On this vehicle, it's located right here. You want to clean it off with a rag, make sure there's no dust. Take off the cap. On the cap, it shows what type of fluid. This happens to be .3 or .4 fluid for this vehicle. Make sure you have a fresh bottle of brake fluid, and you want to top this off. I'm going to go up to the max line, put the cap back on, and then after each individual caliper that you bleed, you're going to have to recheck the fluid and top it off. Starting with the left front caliper, or the driver's side front caliper, we're going to take the cap off right here using a 10mm wrench, put it over the bleeder screw. Then you want a bottle with a hose just like this. Put the hose over the bleeder, and we're going to have an assistant in the vehicle. And we're going to have them pump the brake pedal. Go ahead and start pumping the brake pedal. Nice and slow, about 3 times. Then I want you to hold it. While they're holding it down, we're going to open the bleeder screw. You can see a little bit of air came out. Then we're going to close it up. Is it all the way to the floor? Yep. Once it's all the way to the floor, just close this up and then repeat. Go ahead, start pumping it up slowly. After about 3 times, hold it. We'll crack this open. It looks like there was no air in there. All right, close that up again. Go ahead and pump it. And hold it. And again, no air, so we'll close this up. And the fluid is clear. If the fluid was dirty, you would continue until the fluid becomes clear. Take this off. You can torque the bleeder screw to 6.3 foot-pounds. That's good. Put the cap on. Now top off the brake reservoir again. Now we're going to be on the right front, or the passenger side front wheel. I'm just going to pop this cap off. This one's a little trickier. Just going to use a pick. Pop that off. Just wipe that off with a rag. Put the wrench on. And the hose. Go ahead and pump the pedal slowly. 3 times. And then hold it. Open that up, a little bit of air in there. Close it up once it's all the way down. Go ahead and pump it again, slowly. Holding. Open it up. A little less air. Close it up again. Go ahead, pump it slowly. And hold it. No more air. That looks good. Close that up. You can let off the brake. Pull this off. Take the wrench off. Torque the bleeder to 6.3 foot-pounds. Put the cap on. Check the master, top it off, and then move on to the next one. We're going to be on the right rear, or the passenger side rear. Take the cap off. Put the wrench on, 10mm. Hose with the bottle. Get that started. Go ahead and pump it 3 times. And hold it. Loosen this up. A little bit of air came out. Close it up. Go ahead, pump it. And hold it. Close it up. Go ahead, pump it. Close it. All right, no more air. Fluid's clean. Snug that up. Take the line off. Take the wrench off. 6.3 foot-pounds. That's good. And put the cap on. Now we're going to top off the master reservoir again. The last one, we're going to do the left rear or the driver's side rear. We're going to take the cap off. 10mm wrench. Take our hose. Go ahead and pump it nice and slow. And hold it. No air bubbles in this one. Go ahead and pump it slow. Open it, hold it, open it up. Again, no bubbles. We'll do it 3 times either way. Close it up. Go ahead, pump it up. And then hold it. That looks good. Close that. Go ahead and let off. Pull my hose off. .3 foot-pounds. That's good. You can wipe it off. Put the cap back on. After all that, you want to check the fluid level and just top it off. Up to the max line. Put the cap back on. Make sure it's secure. Wipe it off, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.